What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about the Pixel Experience Plus. I'm really excited about this ROM after a really long time, and the main reason is because it is awesome. This time they have really done a great job, and that's why I'm really making a video about it. So there are 4 major things they have improved this time, which is very good. In general, it's just awesome. First of all, let's just talk about the face unlock. Because you know what, in Pixel ROMs, I don't know why I find an issue with the face unlock and the fingerprint, that most of the times, 90% of the time, the fingerprint doesn't work and the face unlock is just useless. It just says face isn't recognized. But with this latest September update, the face unlock has improved a lot. As soon as it looks at my face, it just unlocks the smartphone, which is amazing. And the best part is, even in low light, I don't know how they have managed to do that, but even in low light, the face unlock is working perfectly amazing. So that's a great win from my side. Now let's just talk about the second improvement we have in this Pixel ROM, and that is actually in terms of the heating performance. As you all know, Poco F4 has a very good processor, which is Snapdragon 870. It's so good, it can play any game in high to medium settings without a problem. But there's a big problem to this, is the heating management, the throttle. It warms a lot from the backside, especially the area where the camera is present. So what they have done this time is, with the Pixel ROM, the heating issue has removed, it is completely gone. I was playing Genshin Impact, I was even charging the smartphone while playing PUBG, both at the same time, and still one thing which I can say with 100% confidence is there is no overheating whatsoever. I don't know how they have managed to do that, but yeah, overheating is gone. That is amazing. This smartphone now really overheats, and that's just a win for me. Now let's just talk about the third thing which they have amazingly improved, and that is my favorite part. And you know what that is? Just guess. Let me give you a second to guess. That is actually the performance. This Poco F4 has a Snapdragon 870, which is already really powerful. But you know what, in Antutu benchmark, it gives a score of about 7 lakh to 7,20,000. But with the latest Pixel Experience September update, this is giving an Antutu score of more than 8 lakh, which is amazing. For me, anything which is faster than stock is better. So yeah, it does the job perfectly fine. And the fourth and the last thing is the overall smoothness of the UI. Ever since the launch of Pixel 8, I think Google has done a really good job in making the UI smoother and smoother, and this really shows in this ROM. And I'm gonna give a big thumbs up to the developers who are working with the Pixel Experience Plus team, because they are doing a great job in making awesome ROMs for the Poco F4. I just love how smooth it is. So that was my quick review of the Poco F4 and why I think the Pixel Experience Plus might be the best ROM you can get right now. And I'm also going to review a lot more ROMs very soon, so make sure to subscribe for that. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.